All right, guys, Brian with Squeaky Clean. Here we are with a set of windows on this nice deck, perfect landing. One thing I see a lot with window cleaners is they do this. They go to one piece of glass, maybe scrub it up, take the squeegee out, however their technique is, take the rag out, take the other rag out for the track, then they go to the window here, and then they do the same thing. And you're literally right here. As a professional, it's all about working efficient. I'm going to show you how I'm going to bust all these out. All right, guys, here we are. Got all these windows to get done. Let's show you how we do it at Squeaky Clean. All right, because we're underneath in the shade on a nice day, you can literally scrub up all the windows at the same time. And I'll tell you something here. Because we're scouring, the first initial scrub up does not have to be over and over and over again. Just get the windows wet because you're going right back over with your scouring pad. And you might say, well, why don't you just do each window? Why are you walking back and forth? But you can see, you can time me doing these windows. This is exactly how I do it in real life. Take the scrubber out once, my scouring pad out once. I do my side pulls here, leaving 2 inches on each side for lubrication, a dry line here, downstroke, and then I go in and again, I do side pulls, leaving 2 inches on each side. And the reason for that, again, it just gives it a cleaner look. Yes, I could fan all this. I don't think it saves much more time. Plus, you just generally might leave more mistakes. A couple side strokes and then these little down pulls. Man, with the little squeegee, just so much cleaner and a lot less stuff to clean up. And the overall look of the window is just better. So you guys that are fanning, I'm not saying anything against the OGs that have been doing it forever. But when you're just getting into the industry, this is how we teach our guys, is do the very simple strokes, because watching them struggle and fan and go inside and see all the streaks they left when they were doing their back and forth is kind of frustrating. And when I show them these techniques of how to do it, their windows come out better, they generally are faster, and it's just overall a very good technique. There's a time and a place for fanning. As you can see, if you work efficiently, pull your tool out once, your scrubber out once, your squeegee out once, and your rags out once, you can get through a lot more windows. Very difficult to do when it's in direct sunlight, but anytime you have an opportunity like this where it's in the shade, try to get as much stuff done without reaching in and reaching out for your squeegees and stuff over and over and over. One time, scrub once, scour once, big squeegee once, small squeegee once, and your rags. You'll find out you're going to be a lot more efficient and get a lot more work done in a short period of time.